Hello, in this video I'll show you how to fix the problems of touchscreen not working on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus after installing the screen protector. Okay, so the first step of the operation would be going to the settings, and we can scroll down a little bit for this tab, so just press the display and go down a little bit until you see the touch sensitivity option. Toggle it, and as you can see the option is now toggled and it will increase the touch sensitivity and it should fix your problem after installing the screen protector. So if you enjoyed this video and you considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.